Hi, this is Elliot Eisenberg here to catch you up on the latest on the residential housing market and how best to take advantage of it. To put it mildly, the spring selling season was a bit of a dud. Housing sales continued at the slow pace of about 4 million houses a year. We've been at this pace on and off roughly for the last several years, largely because interest rates have been quite high. And what this has caused now, finally, is a real opportunity for buyers. And what's going on is people have to sell their house. They've moving, they've had triplets or quadruplets or octuplets, they have a credit issue, they gotta borrow money. Anyways, they're putting their house up for sale. And as a result of this, inventory is rising quite substantially. It's now above where it was before COVID began. And to think about where inventory is growing the most, I want you to think about COVID and then think about inverse or reverse COVID. When COVID came, people moved to the South, they moved to Florida, they moved to Texas and the Sunbelt. Those are areas that are now experiencing large increases in inventory. By contrast, the Northeast, New York, Boston, the Midwest, and some of the West Coast, they're experiencing relatively tight inventories. But this is giving people an opportunity. Inventories in the South and the Sunbelt haven't been higher than this in years. On top of this, because interest rates remain high and now inventories are growing, prices appreciation is coming down. And in these strong areas that used to be strong, but now that we're in inverse COVID, the South and Texas and the Sunbelt, the prices there are flat to mildly down. By contrast, elsewhere in the country, the Northeast, New England, the Midwest, parts of the West Coast, prices are stronger and going up more because inventory is low. On top of this, I expect interest rates to come down sometime in the end of the third quarter or the fourth quarter. The Fed's likely to cut rates cumulatively twice, each by a quarter point. The point is, now is a great time if you're a buyer to look about buying that first-time home or that move-up home or refi. I look forward to seeing you very soon.